Hello friends, welcome to Postman tutorial series. So today we're going to discuss on how to create a API request in the Postman. So far we have covered an introduction to the Postman and how do we download a Postman and install in the Windows 10 operating system, and we have seen the user interface details of Postman. So today we'll see how to add a new request to the Postman tool and how we can verify those service. So let's begin. Open Postman tool. So once we are into our Postman tool, we need to create a workspace. So if you click on this in the center section, if you can see here, we have an arrow to create in the workspace. So in case if you need a new workspace, you can click on create new, and you need to add a details for this workspace like name, summary, team details. If it is a personal, you can click on personal and you can create. We need to add name called demo service and summary, leave it, and click on create workspace. So we have a new workspace called demo service, and we need to create a new request call. So how do we can create a new request call? So we have two options. So one from the files, if you click on file and then new, you can see a create new, and under create new you have a request, collection, environment, API documentation, mock servers, monitors and APIs, and you can create from here. And we have another option where you can see in the header section, in the header part you can have a new button. Once you click on the new button, you can have a create new. Under create new we have the request. So click on request and name this request as demo1, and we need a collection to store this all the requests in a one collection. So for this we need a collection. So how do we create? If you scroll down and you can see a create collection, and we need to add a collection name. So demo API service. So I'm creating this collection and I'm looping this request into this collection, and click on save button. So once we save this, and in the left section you can see history and then collections and then APIs. So if you go to the collections, under collections there is one collection created which is a demo API service which we have created just now, and once you expand this one, under that you can find a demo1 request. So click on this demo1 request, and the right area you can see the demo1 and the request URL, send button, and this is an request parameters and authentications, headers, body and prerequisites, tests, settings. So let me give my demo URL. So copy this sample REST service and paste here, and once you click on this send button, you can see there is no response now. Once you click on send button, you can see a response here. So response, it is under body. So if you see under body, and that is a pretty format, and it is created some response. And what else we have in the response area? So major one is a status code, it is a 200 OK, and another is a time, so how much time it takes to execute this service and how much size it has been utilized to get this response. And also we have a cookies and some headers and header details and test results. And if you go to again body, and under body we have this JSON response, and we have formats like pretty format, raw format, preview and visualize. So under pretty format, so this is, let me use our Indian calling code. So this is a calling code service, so 91 is a calling code for India. Let me hit send button. So it is for India, and alpha code and alpha 2 code and alpha 3 code, IND and India, and capital is New Delhi. So this is a response for this request, and in case if you need any conditions to add, like we can add it from test. So we can create some of, we have a predefined snippets, so we can use the snippets to create some conditions on this response. So we'll see this all this the prerequisite scripts and test conditions in upcoming sessions. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.